Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video we show how to check DRC of any Gerber editing. For we open Cadence software, and for tutorial we are import one Gerber and one NC layer. So for Gerber import wizard, next and finish. For NC layer import an NC drill or mill. So this is my three Gerber and fourth is my NC layer. First we define layer. For define layer we have one shortcut and it's Y. So press Y on keyboard. So it is layer setup. C01 yani mean copper layer and it's top layer. So top, L02 silk bottom. So we set silk bottom, M01 top mask. So we set mask top, and it is NC layer, it's by default set. So okay, and now we set colors of layer for our visibility. So in copper layer flash is red and draw is orange. In silk we set yellow. In mask we set green. And in NC layer we set all NC drill in blue color. So this is my final Gerber. In any production house we edit Gerber of customer. So first we import Gerber, then we import NC layer, and after that we set NC layer as per our production. Like in single side we add 0.05 mm, in double side we add 0.15 mm to original tools, like this. In single side, if this job is in single side, then we add 0.05. so this tool is become 0.05 plus 3.2, so equal to 3.25. so this bit is become 3.25 and 2.9. and if it job is single side, then we add 0.05, so this bit becomes 0.95, like this. And if this job is in double set, then we add 0.15 for double set, 0.15, and for single set 0.05. so if we assume this job is double set job, then we made a change in NC layer like this. 0. Here first tool is 3.2, then we add in double set 0.15, so this bit become 3.35, like this. In second bit we add 0.15, then 0.9 become 1.05. so first in NC layer we add it like this, and after this we set a mask. We set a mask as reference of copper layer, and it is difference between flash or pad of copper layer to masking layer is in most of production now 0.15 mm. So we set, after that we set masking layer, after that we set copper layer. In copper layer we set distance between flash to flash, trace to trace, trace to flash, and drill to pad, and drill to drill as per our production plan. And after set of this copper layer, we set silk layer. This is my silk layer, and we make change in silk layer as per our production. After all editing all layer like copper layer, mask layer, silk layer, NC layer, paste layer, then we check DRC. if if in editing we make any mistake, or we by default we don't make a change, then DRC is take care of this. So we show DRC. So here is DRC, design rule checks. DRC means design rule checks. So we open it, and for DRC passes is default. And first we take setter drill layer. So here click, and our drill layer is fourth layer. Now we set active layer, and here layer to check is always copper layer. So here if single shade job, then here top layer, we take top layer. If double shade job, then here is two layer, top layer and bottom layer. But here we take as example single shade job, so we have one layer and it's a top layer. So we select it, and after this we set DRC. Here DRC is set as in DRC. In most of production house we check DRC pad to pad, pad to trace, trace to trace, and drill to drill, and pad to drill, and pad to top mask. Here we do not check pad to bottom mask, because here we have one layer and it is top layer, so we check pad to top mask. Now we set a value of this, and here by default we take this value. This property is as per our production house. In some production house we take 0.15 mm, in some production house we take 0.2, and in some production we take 0.250. so here we take maximum value for this. So if we take maximum value, then error possibility is high. So we want to show what's error, so we take maximum, and it is 0.3. Here we take drill to drill 200, and pad to drill 3, and pad to mask in most of it 150. Okay, so here we set property. It is not fixed 0.3 mm, it is as per our production house, but we take here 0.3 for our example, and we increase here maximum error. Now run. So here 444 error found. So first we get OK. For watch error we go in analyze, and today's I make videos on Friday, May Friday 8 and click on default and DRC. So this is my all error. If I want to so single error, then I double click on it, and this is my error. And if I want to highlight all error, then right click on it and highlight all. So this in white color is highlighted all errors. So here we show the most of error is top pad to top mask. Here we are not set the distance. Here we set in DRC we set distance for pad to top mask is 0.50, but we are not set masking layer. So first we set masking layer for solve this error. So first I'm close it. here we measure distance between copper layer and masking layer. For this we take transparency and measure it. We measure here in approximately approximately distance is 0.105 or 0.104. So we take distance 0.105. So first we open active just one layer and its masking layer, and first we make 0 0, mean make as per our copper layer. So first we take transcode, decode, scale decode, and minus 0.215, 0.210. Here we take scale a double value of this distance, so we measure their distance is 0.105, so we take here 0.21 and take fixed amount and OK. Now here we want to change in flash, so first we active flash and now take it. So this is in decreased size of this masking area. Now we open copper area and compare this both layer. This red, green, this is copper layer and this is masking layer, so it's overlap one, and the size of flash in copper layer and masking layer are same. So now we increase 150 in masking layer. So first we home and take transcode second time. For increase 150 we take double it and it's a 0.300, but we take 0.31, take 0.31, okay, and scale it. So size is increased, and now we measure distance between copper layer and masking layer. We did approximately 154, so it's okay. Now we check DRC once again. First we delete it, yes, and take DRC. In for DRC check we got a 444 error. Now we check once again. Now run, and yes, and okay. So now we remove most of error. We have now just error is 32 error. Now we check once again where is error available. DRC, take default and DRC. It is still paid to top mask. First we highlight all DRC. So most of DRC, one is here, second here, third is here. So first we make one decode and it's 0.2, 0.2, okay. This error is not error because this is outside of PCB area, and this is a reference hall of our production house. If I don't solve this error, then it is okay, but for example we solve it. For this I have, for solve this error I have two options. One, I may increase size of this rectangle, or second option is I will increase size of this flash. So better option is that I am increase size of this rectangle, and for this I am take one scale decode, okay, and also all on and flash. So it is increased. Hmm. Here you also increase 3 time, 2 time. Now we save it and control R. Now we check DRC third time. First we am delete this, yes, DRC, and run. In second test we got 32 error, and this is third, and here just we remove one error, so we have still 31 error remaining. So first we highlight all, here masking and copper are same, so we don't want to remove this error. So if any case, in DRC we don't want to check this area, then we make a groove like this. I will make groove all on types, and I will make a group of outside of PCB where we don't want to the check DRC. In any production house, this all are reference. This is the reference of origin. In production house, we in CNC department, in printing department, we want some reference, and this is my border. The customer requirement PCB is cut through here this border through this border, and this is there is sharing cutting, or otherwise we routing it from here to here. So this is outer area of PCB, so we don't need to DRC. If we don't need to DRC, then we make a group of this area, and after this we check DRC fourth time. In third time we got 31 error. Now we check fourth time DRC, and here we on don't check item in selected group. Here we make one group, this and this. So after on this don't check item in select group, then DRC is not check this group, and we run fourth time. Here is still 31 error. We check once again. We delete it, Control R, we clear group and make group once again, because in group still something is remaining. We first active all layer and then we make group. Here all is on, and in the next time we hear the copper layer is off, so this mistake is not solved, error is not solved. So now he active this layer also, copper layer also. Now all layer is active and all decode is also active. Now we make a group. Outside of this border we make group, which is not requirement of customer. And now we check DRC fifth time. In last time we got 31 error. We here on don't check item in select group and now run. So we solve some error now and we got 18 error still. So okay, and we so 18 error now. Default add DRC. And this is my 18 error, paid to trace. We got one error here error is paid to trace. So first we deactive two layer, here paid to trace. If I press H and keyboard, then highlight is off. First we measure here area, we set DRC 300 and here is 184. So we want to increase the distance between pad and trace, and it's increase approximately 116. So we have two options for increase this distance. We decrease size of this decode, this draw, and we also second option is we increase the flash, this flash or pad. Here we pad size is 342. This pad size is also 345. So here we decrease this both pad by 40 and decrease some size of this track. So for decrease this pad we take transcode and it's minus 0.6 minus 0.06 and okay. We decrease this Now we measure once again. And it is 217, approximately 0.21. Now we have just one option, and it's decrease this size decode. So first we saw decode this decode, and this draw property. For it we click right click, and this is draw of 0.5. So we decrease it by so we make this decode 0.3. For this we clear escape, and we make one decode 0.3. For make a new decode, we go on this aperture setup and add decode and new decode, and its number is 184. Okay, and its diameter is 0.3, and okay. Now minimize. Now I may right click on it and go to transcode and set 184 decode, which I made 184 0.3, and okay. So now the distance between this is approximately 300. It is 300, but in production house or in PCB this track is very small, so we don't change like this. But in tutorial we saw how to maintain how to maintain distance between pad to trace. But if I am a take this decode of 0.3, then compared to this and compared to this decode is very small, so we don't make like this. But for example, we take it, and we also make this decode like this, transcode, and once okay, and also we select decode, control R. And now we once again check the DRC. First we delete all this, delete, yes, and DRC. In last time we got 18 error, and we saw how error still remain, how many errors still remaining, and it's 14 error. We solve 4 error. Now all error is paid to drill. We click single side, check. So first we delete all this outside of PCB area, because it is not used in production house. It's for our production reference. So go and delete. Now we delete DRC, last DRC. If we don't delete last DRC, it's okay. but for our easier I am delete all time. DRC and run. Yes. Okay, so we got 7 error of this Gerber, so we see it all error and solve it. Oh, default DRC. So my first error paid to drill is here. I'm off masking layer, and now paid to drill meaning up NC layer to copper layer. So distance between our paid drill to fade is lower than 300. So first we measure it. Here distance is 275. So we want to increase 0. Approximately 0.025. So for this, we make a decode plus 0.06, 0.07, weight 0.077, and okay. Now first we highlight all, and now take decode. Okay, and we want to increase flash, so we first off all and on flash. Now I may maximize it. Take decode, enter, and I am add 2 times. It is paid maximum maximize, where whenever I got error and highlight. So I may maximize all paid of copper, and now I may delete last DRC, delete, and we are check once again DRC, run. Yes. Okay, so here 8 error still. Oh, so we check 8 error once again. And it is paid to mask. It is because of we in last time we increase copper area, but we don't increase masking area, because if copper paid area is increased then and masking area is not increased, then we first maintain copper paid to masking paid is 0.150 mm. If copper paid is increased, then our maintain distance between copper and mask is not, it's not maintained, it is decreased, so we got error of masking. So first we undo all last time, undo, and we once again make a change, and this time we also active our masking area. Now I am increase decode also, so we make a scale just one time. Okay, Okay, and we make highlight. Now we delete it. Yes, and we check DRC once again. So we have now just one error remain, and now we solve it. It is here. So I may take my decode. We delete DRC. Okay. So no error found. Now our DRC is okay. We control R and we set DRC of this Gerber is paid to paid is 0.3, paid to trace 0.3, paid to trace to trace 0.3, drill to drill 0.2, and paid to drill 0.3, and paid to top mask 0.115. So this Gerber have no any error for this parameter. So this is DRC, and we set our DRC as per our production house. Here we set DRC 0. In most of 0.3 mm. Okay guys, thank you. And if you have any query about DRC and how to check DRC and how to set DRC, and if you don't solve error of DRC, then comment to me.